Good afternoon, students. I am Mahendra Sonkar, Assistant Professor, School of Information Technology, ISBM University. In this series of tutorial, we are studying about Java programming. In my first video, we are studying about the Java tutorial. After then, we are studying about basic syntax. Today, we will study about the object and classes. Okay. So Java is an object-oriented language. As a language that has the object-oriented features. You all know that Java supports the following fundamental concepts like polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, classes, objects, instant methods, and message passing. In this video, we will look into the concepts of classes and objects. Okay. So what is object? Object have state and behaviors. For example, a dog has states like color, names, breeds, as well as behaviors like wagging the tail, barking, eating. An object and object is an instant of a class. What is class? A class can be defined as a template or blueprint that describe the behaviors or state that the object of its type supports. Object in Java. We will discuss about the object in Java. Let us now look deep into what are the objects. If we consider that real world, we can find many objects around us like that car, dogs, humans, etc. All these objects have a state and behavior. If we consider a dog, then its state is name, breed, color, and the behavior is barking, wagging the tail, and running. Okay. If you compare the software object with the real object, they have very similar characteristics. Software object also have a state and behavior. A software object state is stored in field and behavior is shown via methods. Okay, we will understand it. So in software development, method operate on the internal state of an object, and the object to object communication is done via method. Classes in Java. A class is a blueprint from which individual objects are created. Following is sample of a class. You can see here the example. There is a program public class dog, and there is some variables string breed, integer age, string color. Okay, here you can see the some methods: void barking, void hungry, void sleeping. A class can contain any of the following variable types. First, local variable. Variable defined inside the method. Constructor or blocks are called the local variable. The variable will be declared and initialized within the method, and the variable will be destroyed when the method has completed. Second thing is instant variable. Instant variable are variable within a class but outside any methods. These variables are initialized when the class is initialized. Instant variable can be accessed from inside any methods. Constructor or blocks are that particular class. Third thing is class variable. Class variables are variables declared within a class outside any methods with the static keyword. A class can have any number of methods to access the value of variable kinds of method. In the above example, barking, hungry, and sleeping are methods. Following are some of the important topics that need to be discussed when looking into classes of the Java language. Like a constructor. When discussing about classes, one of the most important subtopic would be constructor. The Java compiler build a default constructor for the class. Okay. Each time a new object is created, at least one constructor will be invoked. The main rules of constructor is that they should have the same name as the class. Following is the end example of constructor you can see here there is a class puppy and constructor name also puppy. Okay, and this constructor has one parameter name or its type. Java also supports singleton classes where you would be able to create only one instance of a class. We have two different types of constructor. We are going to discuss constructor in detail in the subsequent video. Okay, creating an object. Okay, there are three steps when creating an object from a class. First is declaration, a variable declaration with a variable name with an object type. Next is instantiation. The new keyword is used to create the object. And third is initialization. The new keyword is followed by a call to a constructor. This call initializes the new object. Following is the example of creating an object. There is a class puppy and constructor puppy. This constructor has one parameter name, and in main class following statement would be create an object my puppy. Okay, if we compile and run the above program, then it will produce the following result. You can see here the output. Passed name is Tommy. Okay, next topic is accessing instant variable and methods. Instant variable and methods are accessed via created object. To access an instant variable, following is the fully qualified path. You can see here, first create an object. After then, now call a variable as follows. Then now you can call a class method as follows. Okay, you can see an example. This example explains how to access instant variable and methods of Java. You can see here in example there is a class puppy and a variable puppy age. Next line is a constructor. This constructor has one parameter name, and next is a method set age methods. Okay, after then a second method is also declared get age. Then in main function we first create an object, then call class method to set puppy age, then call another class method to get puppy age. Okay, you can access instant variable as follows as well. If we compile and run the above program, then it will produce the following result. You can see here the output. Name chosen is Tommy and puppy age is 2, variable value is 2. Okay, that's all in this chapter, object and classes. We will discuss in next video about the Java package. Okay, thank you very much.